What's up, Umbares? In this video, I'm going to show you how we built this beautiful, amazing Umbare Extravagant pool in only 11 business days. But not only did we build this pool in only 11 business days, consecutive business days, we also did all the landscaping, new grass, and irrigation system complete in this video. Let's dive right on in, guys. What's up, Umbares? We're at it again at a brand new pool, another community by the Toll Brothers. This one is in Sarasota County called the Monterey. Check it out. We're building another 18 by 36 Umbare Extravagant pool. Today is day one. We just broke ground. It is March 4th. As you can see, March 4th. I want everybody to comment below when you think this thing will be filling with water. Go ahead and put the date that you think we'll be having water in this pool. Okay, March 4th today, guys. Let's go! Today is March 17th. Guys, we are, as you can see right now, we're putting in all the irrigation for these homeowners. We're building this pool out. The pavers are all done today. This is all gonna get done here in a couple of days. We're in the process of getting everything cleaned up and out of here. But look, this is what it is, guys. This has been, let's say, 13 consecutive days. Take out the 4 days for the weekend. That is 9 business days, and we also had a rain delays in this project too. It rained, I believe, 1 or 2 days, so I'm not even going to consider that, but let's just say it's 9 days, okay? And this is what you get in 9 days. We still have the plastic on the windows here. Painters are actually coming out today and getting this all cleaned up and painted as well. But in 9 business days, guys, 9 consecutive business days, this is what you get. We're literally putting irrigation back. Okay, irrigation's going back, landscapers will be here tomorrow, pool interior preparation will happen tomorrow, and I'm not gonna give away the final date. I know when it is. We know every single final date of every single pool because this is what we do. We schedule everything before we start. So you guys comment below when you think this pool will be finished. And don't worry about that, that's just groundwater, that's perfectly normal. And this little trash we picked up and gone. This is that simple, guys. Today's date is March 18th. We started this on March 4th. Guys, we already just did the pool interior prep, which means we come in here, we get it all cleaned out, we prep all the orifices, we get everything ready for the pool interior. The painters already came out here, already have a nice coat of paint. Look at this, it looks all brand new like we were never here. Safety fence is already up. The landscaping is gonna get put in here. Why don't you guys comment below when you think the landscaping is gonna get done. Irrigation is already reconnected, all new pipes ran, new sprinkler heads, new drip lines according to the landscape package. Okay, all this is gonna get all cleaned up tomorrow, okay? So why don't you guys comment below when you think this pool is gonna be filled with water, okay? Today's March 18th. Comment below the date there will be water filled in this pool. See you guys. What's up, Umbares? Guess what, guys? It is the last day. We put a beautiful blue interior in this pool. The guys are getting it all cleaned up. Guess what day it is today? It is March 19th. Guys, we started this pool on March 4th. Okay, that's only 15 consecutive days ago. Take out the weekend. That is 11 days. 11 days. And not only did we do this pool, we actually are doing all the new landscaping, all the new sod, all the new irrigation systems put in. We're putting in the landscaping now, as you can see. The sod's going in. Guys, look at this. And the house is already painted. The house is already painted. 11 business days. This is absolutely insane. Okay, March 4th to March 19th. Okay, that's 15 minus 4 is 11. Okay, and this is where we're at. We're gonna be filling this pool up with water here by the end of the day, and it's done. It's a wrap, guys. This is what it is with Umbare. It's that simple. What do you guys think? I love this color. Beautiful blue interior. That's just dry spots, as you can tell, as it's being worked on right now. Absolutely amazing, guys. I can't wait to show you this when it's filled with water. Stay tuned. What's up, Umbares? Guys, we're back out at the project here in the Monterey by the Toll Brothers. I just wanted to come back when everything was all said and done to show you guys what it looks like when we actually leave. It looks like we were never here, okay? And just to kind of show you, this is not many days after the completion date. It is only March 21st, okay? We started this one on March 4th. Now keep in mind, we did finish this a few days ago, all right? So take a look. This is what the house looks like, guys. Absolutely beautiful, okay? You can see here, let's go. I'm gonna walk with you for the first time as well and show you what this looks like, okay? This is all where we were driving. All the heavy equipment, okay? Now this is all brand new sod back here. The landscaping's done, irrigation's done. Okay, this is what you get with an Umbare, okay? Let's take a look. Let's keep walking back here, but this is amazingly clean. Look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this beautiful extravagant pool. This is our beautiful extravagant pool. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the landscaping. Look at the mulch bed. Look at all this back here, guys. Look at this. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. The house is all painted. Look at this gorgeous water. Look at this side. Beautiful, guys. Let's take a look. Wow. This is just crazy. 11 days and this pool was up and running with water, with landscaping, everything done. This is not done anywhere else, guys. Look how beautiful this looks. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that beautiful water. Look at that, guys. I mean, come on. If you're serious and you're looking for a serious pool builder, you don't want any of the headaches. Okay, I've done enough videos now where you can see how fast we're doing these pools, how great the quality is. All right, so if you're a serious buyer, we're a serious provider, right? So we can provide you a nice build and an experience too. At the end of the day, all money is a leveraging tool for your convenience. It's to make your life convenient. That's what money is. It's literally to make your life convenient. Everything that involves you buying something with monetary money, okay, it is literally to make your life convenient. Why would you spend 6 figures with your convenient leveraging tool with someone else to not have a convenient process and not to have an easy experience? It blows my mind, right? So we are only limiting this to 1 person per week that we're going to be signing a contract. We're not looking to do this for everybody. So if you're looking to get a pool built, contact us and let's see if we can get you going. All right, guys, go to umbarepools.com. Check us out. See you later.